What is one of the most important world issues we need to address urgently? Let's shift our focus to the climate, where the situation is intensifying at an alarming rate. In recent times, we've witnessed a surge of extreme weather events across the globe. There's been deadly flooding in China and Europe, which claimed countless lives and displaced many more. But water isn't the only issue. In fact, it's the lack thereof in some parts that's causing concern. Record-breaking droughts have been wreaking havoc in the western United States, leaving the land parched and the people in distress. And then there's the heat. Record-breaking temperatures are no longer a surprise. They're becoming the norm. From the icy expanses of Finland to the Emerald Isle of Ireland, the mercury has been rising at an unprecedented pace. Even Canada, known for its cold winters, has been feeling the heat. But it's not just the temperatures that are rising. So are the flames. Wildfires have been ravaging landscapes, from the dense forests of the United States to the sprawling savannas of Brazil. These flames are leaving behind a trail of destruction, turning green to gray in a matter of moments. All of these events have left climate scientists in a state of surprise. The frequency and intensity of these incidents suggest that our current climate models may have underestimated the potential for such extreme weather. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of climate change, we realize that there's still so much we don't understand. The Earth's jet streams, their response to shifting temperatures, and the factors that intensify the impact of climate change are just some of the mysteries we are yet to unravel. But one thing is certain, these extreme events are here to stay. They are not anomalies, but signs of a new normal that we must navigate. As we stand on the brink of a climate crisis, the need for immediate action becomes more evident than ever before. But how is the world responding to these imminent threats? As the world grapples with the unfolding crises, international organizations and governments are stepping up to the plate. They're initiating actions, implementing policies, and crafting strategies to mitigate the effects of these escalating threats. At the forefront, we have the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC. This global entity is working tirelessly to compile and analyze the most recent and relevant climate research. They're in the process of finalizing their 6th assessment report. This comprehensive document will delve deeper into the impacts of extreme weather patterns, with a particular focus on regional effects. The report is anticipated to be a crucial tool for governments worldwide. It's expected to provide guidance on creating policies centered around environmental protection, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, bolstering infrastructure, and enhancing public services. The goal is to equip nations with the knowledge and strategies to combat the detrimental effects of climate change. But it's not just about policies and strategies. It's also about understanding the changing dynamics of our planet. The Earth's jet streams and their response to shifting temperatures are still not fully understood. More research is needed to unravel these complexities. This growing need for research underscores a crucial point. The world needs to adapt and reduce emissions as soon as possible. Extreme weather events are becoming the norm rather than the exception. The world needs to get a grip on this reality and act accordingly. It's a massive task, no doubt, but it's a task that we, as a global community, can't afford to shirk. The stakes are too high, the consequences too dire. Facing these challenges, the world must unite and take decisive actions to ensure a sustainable future. So where do we go from here? As we tread forward on this path, it's crucial we acknowledge the uncertainties that lie ahead, especially concerning how climate change will manifest at a local scale. Every corner of the world will face its unique challenges and impacts. The rising sea levels may threaten the coastal cities, while droughts may ravage the farmlands. The intricate web of life as we know it is changing, and we must adapt to survive. To do so, we need more research, more understanding. There's a pressing need to delve deeper into the factors that have amplified the impacts of climate change. Why are the wildfires more frequent? Why are the floods more devastating? We need to comprehend these phenomena, not just to predict them, but to mitigate their effects. However, as we strive to understand, we must also act. It's time for countries worldwide to realize that extreme events are not anomalies anymore. They are the new norm. The scorching heat waves, the rising seas, the melting glaciers, these are not isolated incidents of a distant future. They're here, and they're here to stay. With this realization must come action. We need to adapt our societies, our infrastructures, our economies to this new reality. We need to build resilient cities, efficient transportation, sustainable agriculture. But adaptation alone won't suffice. We must also curb the root cause of these extremes, greenhouse gas emissions. We need to transition to renewable energy, promote sustainable practices, and reduce our carbon footprint. We need to shift from a culture of consumption to one of conservation. It's a monumental task, but it's not insurmountable. It requires a collective effort, a global movement, a shared commitment to the planet we call home. The road ahead is uncertain and challenging, but with collective effort and determination, a sustainable future is within our reach. But what can we as individuals do to contribute to this global effort? This question may resonate with many of us as we grapple with the enormity of challenges like climate change and political instability. The first step is understanding the power of individual actions. Each choice we make, each step we take, contributes to the overall state of our world. It's easy to think that our actions are just a drop in the ocean. But remember, the ocean is made up of countless drops. One significant area where we can exert influence is in reducing our carbon footprints. This could mean choosing to walk or cycle instead of driving, reducing our consumption of meat, or opting for renewable energy sources. These actions may seem small, but when multiplied by millions of individuals, they can have a profound impact on our planet's health. Another critical area is our participation in peaceful political processes. This could involve voting, peaceful protesting, or simply engaging in informed conversations about global issues. By staying informed and voicing our opinions, we contribute to a more stable and democratic society. And let's not forget the importance of advocating for sustainable policies. We can influence the decision-makers by expressing our support for policies that prioritize the environment and social justice. This could be through signing petitions, writing to our representatives, or even running for office ourselves. Lastly, we must remember to stay informed about global events. With the world changing at such a rapid pace, it's crucial to keep up to date with the latest developments. By understanding the world around us, we can make more informed decisions and contribute to constructive conversations. Every action counts. Together, we can make a difference in shaping the future of our planet. So, as we navigate through these challenging times, let's remember the power we hold as individuals. Let's use this power to make positive changes for our planet and for future generations. But how can technology, specifically artificial intelligence, help us combat these climate issues? As we ponder upon this question, let's delve into the potential of AI in our fight against climate change. Firstly, AI has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of climate patterns. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can predict future climate trends and help us prepare for them. This could mean better planning for natural disasters or more efficient use of resources. Moving on to the second point, AI can also play a significant role in optimizing energy consumption and reducing carbon emissions. For instance, smart grids powered by AI can optimize energy distribution, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Similarly, AI can help design and manage renewable energy systems, making them more effective and accessible. Thirdly, AI can aid in promoting sustainable practices and policies. By analyzing data on pollution, deforestation, and other environmental issues, AI can help identify the most effective solutions and even predict the outcomes of different policy decisions. This could lead to more informed and effective environmental policies and a more sustainable future. In conclusion, with AI, we can harness the power of technology to create a more sustainable future. AI presents us with a powerful tool in our fight against climate change. As we continue our journey towards a greener, more sustainable world, let's embrace the potential of AI and other technologies in helping us achieve our goals. As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.